I just finished feeding Maple, or giving her electric lights. It's okay, Maple. It's okay. Benny. We got her a few days ago. Maple. Maple. My phone. Penny. Penny likes Maple. This is Maple's little setup. This is a heat lamp. Water and a little bit of grain. We feed her milk from a bottle. And electrolytes. Keep her hydrated. Hey, Maple. Hey, Maple. We have other cows in the back. They're bigger. And Abby is at my brother's house getting bread with a bowl. She'll be back in a few weeks. Penny, what are you doing? And Luna got injured, but she's okay now and she goes outside again. Maple. Penny. Penny's trying to eat her grain that's spilled on the ground. Penny, leave it! Leave Maple's grain. Okay, bye, Maple. Hi, Maple. Hi. Her name when we got her was Pancake, but we named her Maple. And that's Penny. And Luna's my cat. And then Abby is the black cow. Okay. Bye, Maple.